Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wix website. First, you will choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates to begin your creative journey. Wix offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making website creation accessible for everyone. You can easily add and arrange elements, customizing your site to perfectly match your vision. Once satisfied, publishing your site takes just a few clicks, bringing your online presence to life quickly and efficiently. Designing your website with Wix is a creative and straightforward process. Begin by selecting a template that truly resonates with your brand or personal style. The Wix editor allows you to effortlessly drag and drop various elements, such as text boxes, images, and videos, onto your pages. You have complete control to adjust colors, fonts, and backgrounds, ensuring your site reflects your unique aesthetic. Experiment with different layouts to achieve a professional and engaging look. Enriching your Wix website with compelling content and powerful features is simple. Easily upload your own high-quality images, engaging videos, and well-crafted written content to populate your pages. Wix provides dozens of apps to integrate functionalities like a dynamic blog, a fully operational online store, or a convenient booking system. You can also connect your social media feeds directly and utilize the built-in tools to optimize your site for better search engine visibility, reaching a wider audience. The final steps involve publishing and effectively managing your new website. Before going live, thoroughly review your site on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure everything looks perfect. With a single click of the Publish button, your website will be live and accessible to the world. Wix Analytics helps you monitor site performance, providing valuable insights into visitor behavior. Remember to update your content regularly, keeping your site fresh and engaging for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.